Look how the beautiful country is. Look how Tanzania is beautiful country. Good leadership, good environment, good people. The message to you diasporas, instead of seeking for opportunity for your young sisters and brothers, you just provoking about movement. What? Yeah. Movement is movement opportunity. Instead of telling people, oh, here in America, Canada, there is job opportunity. If you cultivate maybe sisal or cashewnut, you can sell. You act as a bridge to connect people from Africa. And instead you do rubbish, my man. You're just talking about movement. Do you see, example, in Congo? What movement leads them to? It leads them to poverty. What they have Kenya, what they have Libya. Now you want the peaceful country like Tanzania, like this. You want to have a war and stay in America. If you are Tanzania and stay in America, running your country, beautiful country like this, you are a slave. You are a slave, and you will die a slave. You just live as non-slave. Running from Africa, you go America, then you want the Africa to fight each other themselves. Poor mind cannot lead the smart mind of we Africans.